Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll be cleaning exhaust tips right here with Coke. Yep, you heard it right, with Coca-Cola. So we got that BMW, guys, as you know. Videos coming soon from Copart, guys. It's a wagon, 325 XIT. So check it out, more videos on road mechanics and auto repair, guys, coming as well. So we have those exhaust tips from another BMW, but you can see how nasty they are. And we'll try, okay, to clean them, okay, with Coke, only with Coke. So if that doesn't work, we'll show you what else to use. So we're gonna get the Coke to share with fans. Okay, right there. We're going to pour some in a container so we don't waste the whole bottle. Okay, that should be good. And if you don't want to remove them, you can do them on the car. And that's what we're going to try first, to see if we can do them without dipping the thing in the Coke. Okay, and see if it's going to clean it. Okay, you can see just a couple minutes progress now. Okay, everything comes off easy. If you can soak it for a few hours, everything will come off with no problems at all. But of course you have to remove the tip. We're just demonstrating, imagining that thing is still attached to the car. Okay, so that big spot, we'll need a little bit more action there. But you can see it definitely started coming off. So we tried the Coke, guys, and you can see we have a few spots left. And right here, that fat spot, we cannot get it out. We tried also aluminum polish by 3M. Okay, chrome polish right here, aluminum polish by Maguire's, rubbing compound, alcohol, like people say, nothing worked for the fat spot. So what we usually do in a case like that, we get a 1500 sandpaper, okay, and you dip it in water. In our case, we'll do it with Coke. Alright, double the strength. And check it out now, everything will come off super easy. The only disadvantage to that method is that you have to polish the chrome tips after that, because you have fine scratches from the sandpaper. But if it's something that it hasn't been maintained for a long time, that will be the way to go. If you already clean them, you don't need to be approaching that method, because everything will clean pretty easy. Little bit that we have left is on the very bottom side where it's scratched, but check out the rest of it. Now we have to use the chrome polish. We use the one by Turtle, works really good. Okay, to buff it and finish it now, because you can see it has a little bit of a matte finish, so we need to get rid of that. Okay, this is the stuff that we use. Usually put some on microfiber towel. Always guys use gloves when you do that. And we are going to go ahead and do that. You can actually use the rubbing compounds too. It helps quite a bit. And we will just keep buffing it like that until it's shiny. Alright guys, and this is the finished result. You can see how much better it is compared to what we started with. So all we had to do, a little bit of Coke, that didn't do the trick all the way. You can see like this one right here, on most of it will work out, on something thick it will not. This one it will not remove it, unless you soak it probably overnight. Then we use the wet sandpaper, okay, and after that chrome polish by Turtle. And that's the result. Okay, let's check it out in the sunshine. Okay, you can see how shiny that thing is compared to the other one. So thank you guys for watching, hopefully it was helpful, and see you guys next time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.